After thinking for a long time, I thought let's unbox it. And I bought a Google Home Mini. As you can see, Google Home Mini is a smart speaker. I was planning to buy a smart speaker and I got it. So Google Home Mini is a great smart speaker. I like it. I like the color. I like the texture. I like that gripping orange color at the bottom. As you can see inside the box we get the Google Home Mini, some documentation and a power cable which is high quality and get a matte finish outside on the adapter. Basically the Google Home Mini is a smart speaker and so I thought why not to give a chance to this. I like this smart speaker because it's from Google, high quality build in a cheapest price. So guys, stay tuned for other videos of Google Home Mini like setting it up. This was a quick unboxing. I will see you in the next one, but first and not last, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel because a lot of awesome videos are coming on this channel later this week. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and I will see you in the next one.